Choose the correct sentence. A. She go to school every day. B. She goes to school every day. C. She going to school every day. Synonym of begin is A. Stop. B. Continue. C. Start. They arrived the station late. A. To. B. At. C. In. Antonym of kind is A. Cruel. B. Generous. C. Respectful. Break a leg means A. Get hurt. B. Good luck. C. Dance. She her homework already. A. Done. B. Did. C. Has done. Choose the correct article. He is honest man. A. B. N. C. The. Choose the synonym of fast. A. Rapid. B. Lazy. C. Short. I've been waiting 5 p.m. A. For. B. Since. C. By. Spill the beans means A. Reveal a secret. B. Waste food. C. Talk nonsense. Antonym of victory. A. Win. B. Defeat. C. Triumph. Choose the correct sentence. A. They is coming. B. They are coming. C. They coming. He to the office every day. A. Go. B. Going. C. Goes. Synonym of happy. A. Sad. B. Joyful. C. Angry. Antonym of early. A. First. B. Late. C. Fast. He was punished dash cheating. A with. B for. C at. Under the weather means. A sick. B happy. C cold. The pen is dash the table. A on. B in. C to.
He dash a book when I entered. A. Read. B. Reads. C. Was reading. Antonym of truth. A. Honesty. B. Lie. C. Fact. I am looking forward to dash you. A. Meet. B. Meeting. C. Met. Synonym of cold. A. Warm. B. Hot. C. Freezing. They are interested dash music. A. On. B. At. C. In. Piece of cake means. A. Delicious. B. Easy task. C. Expensive.
Choose the correct spelling. A. Receive. B. Receive. C. Receive. She told me she dash tired. A is. B was. C were. Antonym of strong. A. Powerful. B. Weak. C. Brave. I prefer coffee dash tea. A. Over. B. Than. C. To. Synonym of clean. A. Neat. B. Dirty. C. Dusty. I was born dash 2004. A. In. B. On. C. At. Cost an arm and a leg means A. Very cheap. B. Very expensive. C. Rare. She dash her car washed. A. Get. B. Got. C. Getting. Antonym of brilliant. A. Dull. B. Bright. C. Sharp. I usually dash up at 7 a.m. A. Get. B. Gets. C. Got. Kick the bucket means A. Kick someone. B. Die. C. Dance. She was tired. Dash, she slept early. A. Because. B. So. C. But. Choose the correct sentence. A. Does he like mangoes? B. Do he like mangoes? C. Does he like mangoes? Synonym of quiet. A. Loud. B. Noisy. C. Silent.
She is afraid dash spiders. A. From. B. Of. C. At. Antonym of polite. A. Rude. B. Kind. C. Gentle. I dash a movie last night. A. Watch. B. Watched. C. Watches. A dime a dozen means A. Very rare. B. Very cheap. C. Very common. He dash gone to school. A. Has. B. Have. C. Is. Choose the correct preposition. She is married dash a lawyer. A. To. B. With. C. At. Choose the correct article. 1 need dash orange. A. In. B. A. C. The. Antonym of fresh. A. Rotten. B. Sweet. C. Natural. They dash not seen that movie. A. Have. B. Has. C. Having. He succeeded dash passing the test. A. In. B. To. C. At.
Call it a day means A. Begin again. B. End the work. C. Rest. I can't help dash when I watch comedies. A. Laugh. B. Laughing. C. To laugh.
Thank you so much for watching. Drop your target scores in the comments.